How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 22, tall unit, 4 doors. Let's start. Duplicate tall unit 3 doors from our previous tutorial. Copy, paste, and rename the file tall unit 4 doors. Okay, open the file. Go to front, elevation. Okay, let's create a reference plane, then dimension. Okay, select the dimension, label, create new parameter, name it drawer 1 height. Okay, next, copy reference plane 6 mm for the door gap, dimension. Okay, lock, then select this door, unlock the bottom, move the arrow, align, select the top reference plane, select the edge of the door, and lock. Okay, select the door, copy. Okay, align, select the center reference plane, select the center of the door, lock. Select the bottom reference plane, select the top edge of the door, and lock. Select this reference plane, select the edge, lock. Okay, next, go to 3D view. Let's test the parameter. Okay, let's rename first the type, change it to tall unit 4 doors. Let's create a 12 cm drawer 1 height. Okay, let's select drawer 1 height. Let's move the parameter below the door width. Now let's change the drawer 1 height to 120 mm. Okay, then rename, Control C, copy, type 2, Control B, then change it to 24 cm, then change the drawer 1 height to 240. Okay, new type 36 cm. Okay, drawer 1 height 360 mm, apply. Then let's change the width to 800. Okay, go back to 600, then change the depth to 800. Okay, back to 650, apply. Okay, zoom to fit, save the family. Now let's try the family, load into the project. Okay, insert, pick, select the unit, spacebar to rotate, align, select the surface of the wall, select the back surface of the unit. Okay, select the unit. Okay, mirror. Okay, then select the unit, select the 2 unit, and let's change the type to 36 drawer 1 height. Okay, now let's insert a base unit 2 drawers. Okay, align, select the side surface, select the side, select the front, select the front. Okay, next let's insert the base unit, 2 drawers cooktop. Okay, pick spacebar to rotate. Okay, next align, select the side surface, select the side surface, select the front, select the front surface. Okay, select this unit, mirror, select the side surface, then align, select the side surface, select this unit, mirror, then let's select this side surface. Okay, align, select the side surface, select the side surface. Okay, select this unit, mirror, select the side surface. Okay, next let's add the tall unit and panel. Pick, align, select this side surface, select the side surface, select the front, select surface, select the front surface. Okay, select the unit, right click, create similar, pick, then align, select the side surface, select the side. Okay, select the surface, select the surface. Okay, now select this unit, edit type, let's change the top trim finish to oak white door. Select, go to search, type oak, select the oak white door. Okay, then let's change the top trim height to 0.4, apply. Okay, next select the end panel, change the top trim height to 0.4. Okay, next select this unit or mirror, edit type, duplicate, let's create a type 2, then turn up the base, the module, and the door. Okay, select the unit, mirror, select the side surface. Okay, mirror. Okay, next let's add the range hood, insert, space tab to rotate, pick, go to reference level or level 1, then let's go to section, align, select the side of the wall, select the back of the range hood, lock, then let's go to this section, align, select the center of the cooktop, select the center of the range hood. Okay, back to 3D, done. Thank you. Done.